right, how's it going, guys? It's your boy Chris. We're back at it again. So I only have a bunch of bashers. This is my first on-road car. Honestly, right now it's looking like the Joker mobile. I hate how it looks, but these are the drift tires that Traxxas has for it. I hate the color, so I'll probably end up painting them black. Second rip, trying with the drift. I forgot the hood pins, so we're gonna be running just the body. So. I'm gonna send it with no clips to see how long it lasts. I haven't even gone full throttle yet with these tires. Fucking crazy. First on-road car. Fucking sick. Oh! All right, I got a 3S strapped into there. Let's see how it goes. Definitely feels more peppy. Look at that. Hug the wall now. Like in real life, it sucks you into the wall.
It's like,
Literally. There we go. Oh. Yeah, this thing's way more punchier with the 3S. All right, well. This is my first on-road car. This thing is sick for a drifter and grip car. It goes fast. Another vlog with the on-road tires, but for a drifting car, this thing is so much fun. 3S is crazy, but you only need 2S to be honest, and then it stays way cooler and the battery lasts pretty long. So we'll see you next time. Take it easy.